Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Shilpi Behel, and today we'll be talking about another very trending topic on social media these days, which many people are following and practicing, that is oil pulling. Well, oil pulling or swishing oil in your mouth in the morning on empty stomach isn't a very new technique. It dates back approximately to 3000 years, and it's a very common method in the Ayurvedic medicine. Before telling you some of the benefits of oil pulling, as a dentist, let me first tell you it definitely is a very good supplementary technique, but in no way can it replace your regular dental visits or the dental concerns or the dental treatments that are needed for your teeth. This technique or procedure of oil pulling is about swishing oil, approximately a tablespoon of oil, through your teeth and your mouth. Now, what this oil does, it basically acts as a powerful magnet and attracts all the microbes, the germs, and the bacteria hidden in your teeth and your gums. Different oils can be used for oil pulling, like sunflower oil or sesame oil and even coconut oil. In my opinion, coconut oil works the best as it contains lauric acid, and lauric acid is very well known for its antimicrobial activity. So exactly how do you do oil pulling? So once you are probably done with your brushing and flossing, which are a mandatory in your oral healthcare regime, please do not drop your brushing and flossing for oil pulling. You can add on your oil pulling along with these oral healthcare techniques. Take about a tablespoon of oil and swish it nicely, work it out in your mouth. Takes approximately about 15 to 20 minutes for that oil solution to turn kind of milky white. Once it turns milky white, just spit it out slowly. Doing this, you kind of pull away all the bacteria hidden in the crevices and somewhere inside your teeth surfaces, which actually cannot be taken out by regular brushing at times. So yes, it is a very beneficial way of swiping off those hidden bacteria from your teeth. Some important tips for oil pulling for all of you that I can probably, kind of update you is that please be very gentle when you're doing oil pulling. Don't do it too vigorously because, your jaws can start aching. If that happens, that means you're going too hard with the swishing or the rinsing. So please slow down. And once you think the oil is kind of turned its color to kind of milky white, just spit very gently. Also, do not swallow the oil that you're swishing in your mouth, and preferably use coconut oil. As I told you before, 50% of the content is lauric acid, which is beneficial for your, not only for your teeth, but also for your overall health. Also, when you're done with the oil pulling, make sure that you rinse your mouth nicely with water before consuming onto any food or beverage. Many people claim that oil pulling can whiten teeth or maybe it can prevent cavities or tooth decay. Well, honestly, there has not been any certified journal or study till now. Maybe some studies on a larger scale needs to be done to legitimize oil pulling practice to take care of such dental concerns. Till now, as of now, what I would say is I'm pretty convinced with the habit of oil pulling because somewhere down the line it's not hurting you at all. So there is no bad effect on your teeth or your health by doing oil pulling. But yes, you can use it in conjugation with your regular toothbrushing and flossing. So in case you believe in a kind of holistic approach for your health and body, then oil pulling definitely can be given a try. It's no harm at all. And yes, so try this oil pulling. A single session or a one-day session or a two-day practice would not give you any benefit. You have to practice it regularly for some months to probably get some benefits out of it. So go ahead and try the oil pulling and do let me know if you find any difference.